Oswal book sample paper math standard class 10 self assessment paper 2 part A section first. Question number 3. If A m upon 3 comma 5 is the midpoint of the line segment joining the point Q minus 6 comma 7 and R minus 2 comma 3, then find the value of m. In this problem we have given that A is the midpoint of the line joining point Q and R. So let the point Q minus 6 comma 7 and point R minus 2 comma 3. A is a midpoint of the QR whose coordinate is m upon 3 comma 5. We know that by midpoint formula x coordinate of midpoint, that is ax, is given by x1 plus x2 upon 2. We have x coordinate of midpoint m upon 3. So m upon 3, x1 is minus 6 plus x2 is minus 2 upon 2. So from here m upon 3 will be equals to minus 6 and minus 2 will be minus 8 upon 2. M upon 3 will be equals to, from 2 minus 8 will be cancelled out, minus 4 times, minus 4. On cross multiplying, m will be equals to minus 12. So value of m will be minus 12. Question number 4. In the given figure, O is the center of a circle, PQ is chord and tangent PR at point P makes an angle of 50 degree with PQ. Then find angle POQ. In this problem, we have given a circle whose center is O. We have to find angle POQ. We have given that angle RPQ equals to 50 degree. We know that at point of contact P, the angle between tangent and the radius of a circle is 90 degree. So angle RPO equals to 90 degree. Here we can see angle RPO is equals to the sum of angle RPQ plus angle QPO. We have RPQ 50 degree, so 90 equals to 50 plus angle QPO. So from here angle QPO will be equals to 90 minus 50, that is 40 degree. So this angle is 40 degree. Now here OP is equals to OQ, radius of the circle. So triangle OPQ is isosceles triangle. So angle OPQ will be equals to angle OQP, that is equals to 40 degree. So angle OPQ equals to angle OQP 40 degree. In triangle POQ, angle OPQ plus angle OQP plus angle POQ equals to 180 degree. OPQ is 40 OQP is 40 plus angle POQ, that is equals to 180 degree. So from here angle POQ will be equals to 40 plus 40, 80. 180 minus 80 will be equals to 100 degree. This is our answer. So number 5. If sine theta plus cos theta equals to root 2 cos theta, then find the value of tan theta. In this problem, we have given sine theta plus cos theta equals to root 2 cos theta. We have to find the value of tan theta. From sin theta plus cos theta equals to root 2 cos theta, taking cos theta to this side. So sin theta will be equals to root 2 cos theta minus cos theta. Sin theta, from these two terms cos theta is common, so root 2 minus 1, taking cos theta to denominator. So sin theta upon cos theta is equals to root 2 minus 1. So tan theta will be equals to root 2 minus 1. This is our answer.